How many times has it happened to you that you're downloading an important big file and suddenly it gets corrupted, or Chrome just blocks it for no freaking reason? So here are 3 tricks that will lower your ping and make your downloads 10x faster. And the last one is the best. Now to reduce your ping, go to the search bar and type command prompt and run it as administrator. Now type ping 1111 and press enter. This will give you the minimum, maximum and average ping for this DNS. Now type ping 8888 and find out which DNS has low ping. Now go to the search bar and type network status, click on the Ethernet tab on the left and click change adapter settings on the right. Right click on the network adapter and click on properties. Double click on internet protocol version 4. Click use the following DNS server addresses at the bottom and type the DNS server that has the lower ping. If you got a better ping on the ones, enter this, otherwise enter this. Click OK and you're all set. Now the next trick will make your downloads on Google Chrome very fast. Open Chrome and type chrome/flags and press enter. Search for parallel downloading and enable it. This feature allows Chrome to download files in multiple parts at the same time instead of a one big file, thus significantly increasing the downloading speed. Now I was surprised to see from a recent comment on one of my videos that many people still don't know about this magical software that can increase your downloading speeds up to 10 times. The software I'm talking about is called IDM or Internet Download Manager. IDM is a tool that can basically boost your downloading speed by using the same parallel downloading method we just enabled in Chrome. Now there are some other free options out there too, like Free Download Manager and JDownloader. You can try them too. Now all the links are in the description. That's it for today guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.